Hey guys, Vinay here from Process Street, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage permissions in your organization on Process Street. So now we have three key types of permissions, which are users, managers, and admins. The first kind of permission level that we have is users, and essentially how a user works, or how you'd find a user, is that a user is any new user that you invite to a team. So if you invite a new person to the team, so in this example let's invite Sarah Connor, and you'll see that Sarah has been invited to the team as a user. Now a user has the permissions of being able to read templates, being able to start jobs, and which are checklists, and then being able to complete those jobs or checklists, and being able to leave comments. So essentially they can just execute the documents. They can't actually edit or create or manage. And that's how all users are by default when they're invited into an organization. So this is great if you have people on your team that you want to be able to follow your checklists, but not actually edit them or create new ones. Now, if you do want someone to be able to edit or create templates, then you're going to need to promote them to a manager. And to do that, all you need to do is check the checkbox next to their name. You can also see here, there's a little tooltip that will teach you what managers do. But essentially managers can do everything that a user can do, plus they can create new templates, they can edit templates, they can invite new users to the team, and they can promote users to a manager status. Then there's one final permission level, and that is the admin permission level. And you can find that in the organization management menu, not the team. So user and managers are team level permissions. So a person can be a user of one team and a manager of a different team. But an admin is organizational level, and an admin is an admin of the entire organization. So to find the admin, you're going to go over to the organization menu settings, and you can only access this menu setting if you are actually an admin yourself. And here you can see all the members in the organization, and you can promote any of them to admin for the organization. An admin for the organization has all controls. Some things that they have that managers don't have are the ability to create new teams, the ability to delete teams, and the ability to promote users to admin users. There's also one final team level control setting that has to do with permissions that I want to show you here, and that is the collaborative team setting. So in the manage team settings, you'll see where you can change the team name, and then you'll have a checkbox here which says allow team members to see and work with each other. And what this essentially does is allows users to see other users in the team. So if you have this selected and you invite multiple users to the team, they'll be able to see each other in the team if they go and they go into view team members. They'll also be able to see the other jobs or checklists that are being worked on and what their status of the progress is and who's working on those checklists. But if you unselect this, they'll only be able to see their own checklists. They won't be able to see the other members in the team. So essentially they'll be an isolated individual in that team, or so they'll think. They'll be able to see any of the managers in the team, so they could contact them if they need assistance, but they won't be able to see any of the other users. This is great if you're using Process Street to work with external suppliers or customers or students or any kind of project where you may not want users to know the other users in that team or be able to see their checklists and what their progress is on those checklists. So you have the option for either users to work collaboratively or to be isolated inside those teams. And that's it for permissions. I hope this video was helpful.